If you want to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to turn any chat into a PDF file on your computer. This is useful if you want to keep a record of a conversation, share it with someone else, save research, or just organize important ChatGPT outputs for later. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the ChatGPT conversation you want to save. Make sure the full chat is loaded on your screen before moving to the next step. If you're planning to keep only a specific conversation, double check that you're in the correct thread so you don't accidentally save the wrong one. Now, on Windows, press Ctrl and P at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command and P. This opens the print menu, which is the fastest way to create a PDF from your chat. Once the print window appears, look for the destination option. This is the setting that tells your browser where to send the page. Click the destination dropdown and choose Save as PDF. In many browsers, this option is built right in, so you don't need any extra software or extensions. Before you save, take a quick look at the preview. This lets you confirm that the conversation is displaying the way you want it to. Depending on your browser settings, you may also be able to adjust things like layout, margins, or whether background graphics are included. If you want a cleaner document, portrait mode usually works well for most conversations. When everything looks good, click Save. Choose the folder where you want to store the PDF, give it a clear file name, and then confirm the save. In just a few seconds, your ChatGPT conversation will be exported as a PDF file on your device. If you want to make it even easier in the future, you can use the same process anytime you need to archive a chat. It's a simple workflow, and once you've done it once, it becomes second nature. And if you ever need to share the conversation, a PDF is usually much easier to send than a live chat link. There's also another helpful tip to keep in mind. If you're working with a long conversation, consider making sure the important parts are visible before printing, since the PDF will capture exactly what appears on the page. That way, you'll get a clean, readable copy of the chat you want to keep. So that's how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF essay in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.